Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about what is antenna and what is the structure of antenna and what are the properties for an antenna and its applications. First, let's see what is antenna. Antenna is nothing but it is an electronic device which is used to transmit and receive the electromagnetic wave in order to communicate with others by using our mobile phones or by using landlines. We are using antennas. The main purpose of the antenna is to transmit or radiate the electromagnetic waves and receive the electromagnetic waves. First, let's see. an antenna is a an antenna is a metallic device that act as a then an antenna is a metallic device in the form of either wire or rod used for radiating or receiving radio waves. These antennas are used for radiating. Radiate is nothing but transmitting and receiving the electromagnetic waves. Next one is, an antenna can also be defined as an impedance matching device between transmitter and the receiver and the free space. Okay, which means it acts as an impedance matching device. It matches the impedance of the transmitter to the free space, and at the receiver it matches the impedance of the receiver to the free space. That's why we call the antenna is a impedance matching device. Next, open out transmission line act as an antenna which launches a free space wave, which means antenna is having the transmission line. The transmission line is open out. Open out is nothing but this open out area is used to transmit the EM waves or receive the EM waves. Okay, and the last one is, an antenna can also be defined as coupler between transmission line and free space or vice versa. This antenna is also known as coupler between the transmission line and free space or vice versa. Okay, next let's see what is the structure of antenna. Here observe, antenna is a transition device. How the antenna act as a transition device means, here generate in this diagram, this is the transmitter antenna and this is the receiver antenna. Both are the identical antennas. In order to transmit the radio waves, we need to generate a voltage or we need to apply a voltage. That is nothing but generator or transmitter. Here this is the generator, and this path or this line is nothing but transmission line. The transmission line is used to carry the radio frequency current. Okay, this transmission line is used to carry the radio frequency AC current. And here observe, at the end of the transmitter or antenna, we have a tapered section transmission line. This tapered section transmission line is used to radiate the EM waves into free space, because up to here, up to the tapered section, our electric current is in uniform or passed with a constant velocity like that. But at the transmitter section or at the tapered section, acceleration and deceleration of electric current occur. Here at the tapered section, acceleration and deceleration of electric field is occur. Due to that, EM waves are radiating into the free space. These are nothing but these loops. These loops are nothing but EM waves, and these EM waves are traveling through the air, and it is received by the receiving antenna. This is the receiving antenna and this is the receiver. This act as a transmission line for receiver, and receiver is also having the same characteristics what is the having transmitter antenna. Here observe, receiver is also having a waveguide and it is also having tapered section, and this tapered section is used to receive the transmitted waves. This is about transmission or antenna transmission. Okay, now let's see. Antenna is a transition device between a guided wave and free space wave or vice versa. Okay, next let's see What are the properties of an antenna? First property is it has identical impedance when used for transmitting and receiving purpose. For this purpose is known as equality of impedances. First property is it acts as identical in both transmitter side and receiver side, and the impedance of the antenna is also same when it is used for transmitter as well as receiver. The impedance of the antenna is also same. That's why we call the antenna is a equality of impedance device. Equality of impedance device. Next, it has identical directional radiation pattern when it is used for transmitting and receiving purpose. This is known as equality of directional pattern, which means it is having same directional pattern when it is used for transmitter as well as receiver. Okay. Next, see, it has same effective length when it is used for transmitting and receiving purpose. This property is known as equality of effective length. Equality of effective length is nothing but when the antenna is used as a transmitter or receiver, it is having same effective length. This is known as equality of effective length. This is about the properties of antenna. Now let's see what are the applications of an antenna. First application is wireless communication. We know antenna is mainly used in wireless communication. And second application is satellite communication. And third application is mobile communication. And fourth one is wireless LAN. These are all are for communicating. Okay, for communicating we are using antennas. And the next one is radio and television broadcasting. In order to broadcast radio and TV. And here next application is it is used for point to point communication. The next one is it is used for radar tracking. It can be utilized more in air and outer space. That means the antennas uses free space for transmitting radio waves. It can be used more in air and outer space. It can also be utilized underwater and soil. That means antennas are also used in underwater and soil also. Okay, at certain frequency for short distance. It is also used for biomedical systems. And these are the applications for antenna. I think you understood this topic. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.